Hello guys, this is Shahzad Rabbani again. Today's video is about a trade setup of gold. I'm gonna apply this setup on a daily chart. Remember, this type of setup is usually called the swing trading setups. You may apply this trading setup from the 8th of May 2017 onward. That is today. Before jumping into the chart, let's have a warning statement. This video is only for educational purposes and foreign exchange trading carrying margin and substantial risk. Therefore, it isn't suitable for every investor. Okay, guys, this is the daily live chart of gold. Right? Before jump into the micro details about what has been happened and what's going on with regard to the gold market, let's have to analyze one thing, that either we need to know one thing, that is either we are in an uptrend or in a downtrend, right? So in order to know this ones, you need to pay attention of the basic pivots points, right? Remember guys, one thing is very common. If there is a buying trend, it is having a series of higher highs and higher lows, whereas in a downtrend there is a series of lower high and lower lows, right? So we just need to know whether trend is up or down, so that we manage our equities and our investment accordingly, right? So I'm reviewing this chart right from the July of 2016 onward, right? This is the July 2016. As you can see, at that time the prices was about $1,377 per ounce, and since then up till the December of 2016, the prices were creeping down, right? And from December 2016 down about so far, there is a, you may say, consolidations are neutral to bullish, right? As I've told you that one thing is common in a downtrend, that it has a series of higher high and higher lower high and lower lows. So we need to pay attention on these pivot points, right? How? As you can see, this is the high. After this market, after this high, this has posted this particular low, right? This is what we call the higher low, right? Higher high and higher low. After this higher low, it has posted this lower high. Why I have called it lower high? Because it hasn't broken this particular previous swing high, right? So since then it is squeezing lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right, all the way down, right? What happened over there when this market has broken this particular point, right? 1219, which was the previous swing high, right? As you can see, after this it has posting higher high, higher low, higher high, right? This is the lower low, right? Because this particular point, this particular low has broken. This is the lower low, right? So according to this one, and you need to know whether the market is in a downtrend or is in an uptrend. After this one, as you can see, it has posted a lower low, so we may say the market is in a bear mood, right? Where I'm gonna enter, for this I need to draw a trend line which connect the previous swings low, right? This is the previous swing low, this was also the previous swing low, right? And this was the major previous swing high, so as this was the swing high as well. So I make a peanut pattern. Right, so I make this pattern whenever in the upcoming days if it is broken this levels or this levels, I'm gonna do first. Okay, so this is my trade. I'm gonna sell the gold if it has broken this trend line, and I believe it broke around about 1214 right onward. So if it breaks 1214 right, then I will be on a sell, right. What will be my target at that point? Either the target is 1179, this is the first target, first exit scenario. The second one is 1122, right. There would be the stop loss. The stop loss would be the major swing high at this point. As you can see, the major swing high was at 1297. So my trade would be sell the gold at 1214, stop loss 1297, initial target 1179 and 1122, right. This is the first scenario. The second thing is, as you can see, mostly people are so much curious to find support and resistance, bottom and top. So the second scenario may be if the market touch about this point at 1282 roundabout, right. Make sure in order to have a bear market, you want see to break this particular trend line, right. So if the fundamentals or geopolitical scenario would influence the gold market in the upcoming days, and you will find the price of 1282 or near about this, you may sell on this point as well. So this is my trade, keeping in view the day chart. Sell gold below 1214, target is 1179 and 1122, stop loss is 1297. Or if the market is going up and up and up, then don't do buy it, because it is not a buying or be a bullish market, right. Why I've said it? Because you know, it has broken this previous swing low, right, this particular swing low, right. So here is my trade. If you have any question or query, please don't hesitate, just call upon me, write down message, and if you like my video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.